Alright, hey, what's up, gang? So I want to show you how I made a list of my gear, because what I'm getting at is I want to start making a list of the gear that I want to get. So what I see is that we have groups, types, categories, what I'm trying to show you is that if you take a page, or a sheet rather, and you just make a list of some things, you can take that list of things and use them in another sheet by doing the following. So somewhere we have a column, and we're going to highlight some cells that underneath that column title. So then in our menu, we're going to go to data validation. And so what's going to happen is they're going to give us like this menu kind of thing. After we open up that menu, you want to go to the sheet where your givens are. We're going to click on this square button kind of thing, and then end up selecting our data. So something like this. Alright, so I hope you stay tuned because I am serious about starting kind of like a serialized news show, and I am serious about creating an app for equipment management and equipment goal tracking. Alright, see you soon.